Procrastination. The act of delaying or postponing something until the last minute. We've all been there. We have a deadline looming over our heads, but somehow we find ourselves scrolling through our social media feeds, binge watching our favorite shows, or doing anything but the task at hand. But fear not, my fellow procrastinators. In this video, we'll give you some tips and tricks to beat procrastination and finally get things done. First and foremost, acknowledge that you're procrastinating. Sometimes, we don't even realize that we're procrastinating until it's too late. So, be honest with yourself and accept that you're delaying the task. Next, make a to-do list. Write down all the tasks that need to be done, and prioritize them. This will help you stay organized and focused. Minimize distractions. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and create a conducive environment that will help you concentrate. Use the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves working for a set amount of time, usually 25 minutes, taking a short break, 5 to 10 minutes, and then repeating the cycle. This helps to break down the task into manageable chunks and makes it less overwhelming. Reward yourself. Celebrate your small wins and give yourself a treat after completing a task. This will help to motivate you and make the process more enjoyable. And finally, remember the consequences of not completing the task. Whether it's missing a deadline or facing the repercussions of poor quality work, the consequences of procrastination are not worth it. Some witty tips and tricks to help you beat procrastination and finally get things done. Now, go forth and conquer that to-do list.